We've arrived in Berlin. It was a massive drive from Poland. It was about 9.5 hours on the road. Not all of that was in the car, we had a couple of stops. But we're staying on the outskirts. It's about a 35-minute train ride out of the centre of Berlin. We're here for 6 days. We're going to be visiting a whole lot of the museums and all the sites and catching up with some friends. It's very hot, but we're looking forward to it. That's our local train station. Perfect way to enter Potsdamer Platz with pretzels in hand, ready to visit the German Spy Museum. We are German Spy Museum. Thanks. Now we're just waiting to go through a lie detector test, polygraph. Nice. There we go.
It's only 2 people.
That's right.
Were you born in 2009? Have you ever made a mistake and tried to keep it secret? Yes. Lipstick is on.
We're going to do the laser maze now. Oh wow, that's cool. So these are the clothes of Jaws from James Bond. His massive shoes and very, very tall trousers and shirt. What are we up to, guys? Secret messages? Okay. Now this is where the wall used to be, with the dividing line running across the road, and Nordbahnhof, which used to be a ghost station.
So this that exists now.
What do we got? Wall, the death strip, guard tower. One of the tunnels.
That's how many there were. And that was where.
Made it to Alexanderplatz. It's pretty hot, still plenty of people out and about. We're gonna go find an ice cream and maybe some air conditioning if we're lucky. So this little cafe, they've actually got little robots that deliver stuff to the tables. Come out into town for Maddie's birthday. We're going to this high ropes course, Mount Mitte.
You have to start. Ready to climb, guys? Okay, there you go. Ready? 2, 1. Woohoo! No. Might need some Oh, Maddie.
Well done.
I'm not telling Dylan.
Go, Devin.
Yeah! Come on, you got
Wow. So good. How do you feel?
this! I think I got rope burn on my hands.
Yeah.
Right, another mall for Maddie's birthday. What are we going to do there?
We're gonna get dinner there.
So we've had a pretty lazy Sunday today. Bit of a rest from walking around Berlin. We're chilling out in our town. Just going for a quick walk down to the park. But it's quite a nice little village. Sort of on the outskirts of Berlin. More of a commuter town. It's called Birkenwerder. Out into Brandenburg Gate area.
Whenever life gets you down, Mrs. Brown, and
There's Checkpoint Charlie. We're just going to go to Einstein Cafe right next door to it. We've taken the tram in today basically to the very centre of Berlin to see Berliner Dom. Cathedral. Bratwurst, currywurst. So all around Berlin there's been these beers. The East Side Gallery, where the wall's been left up for people to do art and graffiti on. Going on here, announcing a new Spider-Man movie right near the Uber Arena. Today we're going to the Berlin Zoo. It is a mongoose.
Yeah. It is? Yeah. Have you seen those videos? Yeah. Can I ride it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's cleaning the window.
We're in the town of Lübeck, which is in northern Germany. We're driving from Berlin through to Denmark, so we're taking a quick couple of hour stop over here. It's an old Hanseatic town, so Pretty amazing architecture.